In this FoneLab HEIC Converter review, we will explore its features, price, pros and cons, and a better alternative to help you choose the right HEIC conversion tool. Part 1. Overview of FoneLab HEIC Converter. FoneLab HEIC Converter is a desktop tool that converts HEIC photos from iPhones, iPads, and other devices into JPG or N formats. It works offline, supports batch conversion, and offers a fast, convenient way to process multiple images on a computer. Part 2. Key features of FoneLab HEIC Converter. FoneLab HEIC Converter offers fast and secure HEIC conversion with support for JPG, JPEG, and N formats. It works with iPhone, iPad, and iPod photos on both Windows and Mac, allowing batch conversion, adjustable image quality, and easy local processing for a smooth user experience. Part 3. Price of FoneLab HEIC Converter. Pricing is an important consideration for HEIC converters. FoneLab HEIC Converter provides both free and paid versions, giving users flexible licensing options based on their needs. FoneLab HEIC Converter usually provides the following licensing options. Part 4. Pros and cons of FoneLab HEIC Converter. Pros: a simple and efficient HEIC converter with batch conversion support, fast local processing, strong privacy protection, cross-platform compatibility, and high-quality output in JPG or PG formats. Cons: limited to HEIC conversion with restricted free features, lacking advanced tools like image editing or repair, and may not meet the needs of users managing large amounts of iPhone data or requiring broader format conversion options. Part 5. How to use FoneLab HEIC Converter. Step 1. Download and install FoneLab HEIC Converter on your computer, then open the program. Step 2. If you want to convert photos stored on your device, connect your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch to the computer first. Click the Add HEIC button to import HEIC files or folders from your computer. To convert HEIC photos directly from your device, navigate to this PC device name internal storage DSIM and select the images you need. Step 3. Choose the HEIC photos you want to convert from the list. Before conversion, you can customize the output format, image quality, whether to keep editing data, and the destination folder. Step 4. Once all settings are configured, click the Convert button to start converting your HEIC images. Part 6. The best alternative to FoneLab HEIC Converter. Coolmuster HEIC Converter is a powerful FoneLab HEIC Converter alternative that offers faster batch conversion, stable performance, and flexible options. It allows users to easily convert HEIC images from iPhone and iPad to JPG or JPG or PG while maintaining high quality, previewing files, and preserving EXIF metadata. Here is how to convert HEIC images to PG or JPG with Coolmuster HEIC Converter. Step 1. Launch the software and add your HEIC photos by clicking the Add HEIC button. You can also drag and drop your images directly into the dotted area and select the Drop and Drop Here option. Step 2. Select the HEIC files you want to convert. Choose JPG, JPG, or N as the output format. Enable the Keep EXIF data option, and adjust the image quality settings if necessary. Step 3. Select a destination folder for the converted files, then click Convert to begin converting your HEIC images.